Hey y'all, it's Alicia here and I have a beauty haul, but this everything that I have my sister brought for me, and I wanted to show you some items that she brought me. And I have to start off with I have a couple of things, so let's get started. So one of the things that she got me was the Maybelline single eyeshadow, and this is in 100S vanilla. It's more on the white side, and I will be using this in an upcoming Shira Princess of Power video. Princess of Power series videos. Y'all know, if y'all know the Shira and He-Man series that I do, where I do makeup looks inspired by the characters. That's the new one, will be coming very soon. None other, I decided to pick me up some blushes. Pick this blush up, and this is the Wet n Wild pearlescent pink and thing. So yeah, it's another one I want, but I want to go back and get it later this month. So another one is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this is in the color Golden Flower Crown and thing. So the Wet n Wild stuff is actually cruelty free, and the other thing from Wet n Wild I got is the Wet n Wild iconic lip gloss. This is off their Zodiac the Zodiac line, and this comes in the color Gemini. Now I am happy that I actually did get this one, because Gemini is actually my zodiac sign, actually my birthday zodiac sign. So yeah, I'm very happy of that. So another thing is I let her she let me pick this, but it's the brand is called Beauty Bar TLB Vegan Beauty, and I got this perfect lip kit right here. I have this, and this is for all shades, and I do not see. Okay, yeah, here we go. We have this deep, so we have the up in here we have the deep purple lip liner, and we have this purple liquid matte lipstick, and it's called Prima Dona. So that's the color. So I am excited about that. And she also got me some extra new brushes. So this is one of my favorite brands. It is the Moda Beautiful Bold Brushes Groove Glam Tie-Dye makeup brushes. So yes, these are some new brushes, and like always when I get new brushes, I wash them first, so they are going to be washed first. So yeah, that is just my little Walmart haul of everything my sister brought me. Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.